Maxforce Quantum ant bait is an effective way to put a stop to indoor and outdoor ant infestations in and around your home or business. Maxforce Quantum is a liquid, carbohydrate-based ant bait that uses the active ingredient imidacloprid to control most ant species, including Argentine ants, pharaoh ants, ghost ants, crazy ants, and odorous house ants. This innovative product can be fed on by both sugar-feeding and protein-feeding ants. Once a foraging ant consumes the Maxforce Quantum bait, they will return to the nest and transfer the bait to the queen and the entire colony. You may start to see dead worker ants in queens and a reduced number of visible ants. Indoors, you can apply Maxforce Quantum in refillable bait stations or as a crack and crevice treatment. Refillable bait stations are included with each order of Maxforce Quantum and are recommended for keeping bait fresh and off household surfaces. To use the bait stations, begin by filling a station with a liquid bait, avoiding overfilling, and placing the stations in areas where activity has been noticed. These areas could include underneath kitchen cabinets, near sinks or drains, around pipes and cables that come out of the wall or floor, or behind and under bathroom fixtures and cabinets. Maxforce Quantum can be applied outdoors using the refillable bait stations. Place bait stations near existing ant activity without disturbing visible ant trails, which could lead the ants to avoid the bait and find another route. To maximize the effectiveness and to protect the bait from sunlight, rain, and non-target animals, use bait stations specifically designed for outdoor use. Place the stations near points of entry to the structure and in areas of high activity, including near nest sites and ant trails. Crack and crevice applications can also be made outdoors along windowsills, doors, between construction elements, or where pipes or wires enter the building. If an ant nest is visible, you may inject up to 2 grams of bait directly into the nest entrance. Maxforce Quantum can be diluted to control large ant colonies or multiple colony species, such as crazy ants and Argentine ants. Follow the instructions on the product label for dilution rates and application instructions. Check your bait placement locations once a week and replenish the bait as needed. Always read the label before any use to confirm the correct application rates, instructions, and application intervals. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.